Hey guys, it's Harmony and welcome back to my channel. So today we are at Michael's right now and we're gonna go inside and we haven't been there in a while. So we're just gonna go check out what they have. So let's go. It's a really sunny day today.
It's really nice today. So we haven't been to Michael's for a while, right, Harmony? And we haven't been to this Michael's especially. Yeah. This is Michael's. Yeah, this is a Michael's that we haven't gone to in a long time. So we're gonna see what they have. They have $15 grab bags, $4 grab bags. These oh my goodness, yeah, these grab bags have really cool stuff. It looks like it's all Easter stuff.
It's all Easter stuff.
But here's the slime headquarters. We have $15 gallons of glue.
And then the slime kit. Rainbow slime glue.
Ooh, haven't seen that one.
Oh, slimy glue mix-ums. You can mix in some foam and some beads and some,
whoa,
what are these,
cool.
perler beads? Yeah. Oh my god, unicorns.
Unicorns. Wow, they have all the different kits.
Gosh. That is so
And then they have tons of these slimy glue kits. Crystal slimy glue. They have zombie slab.
They have unicorn slime glue.
And then they have
lava mucus. Ew. And then the slime shooter. And a bunch of glitter.
really pretty colors.
Yeah, glitter glue. There's like all types of colors. Whoa, what are these?
Ooh, that's the new Elmer's glue. Not that one, but the glow.
Oh, I want to get one.
The glow glue. I heard they glow really bright.
Oh, that is so cool. I'm gonna
try the glow?
Yes, I'm gonna take this.
It doesn't have a price on it. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, it does. It has a stamp. So.
Okay. Oh, look at this one. It's a whole set for you to make a candy pack. That's interesting.
Candy pack?
Hmm?
Look how big this is. Top too.
Really? Ooh, you can probably make a hat with that. Can you make your hat with that?
Probably.
Oh my, it's $18 for that roll. That one's $5.49 for that. But this here, this giant roll, how big it is next to Harmony.
Can I get one?
It's $18, silly. You don't even know what you want to do with it. No, you don't need it.
What about this one?
No. What you gonna do? We have like a whole basement full of yarn.
No.
Yeah, we do.
It has to be the same.
No. Okay, let's go look for the squishies. So is this a 3D print shop?
What? Oh.
Does it really print like 3D stuff? It looks just like it. See?
It has a mold, and it comes with a 3D print shop.
Cool. I wonder how much it is. Didn't you say you wanted a 3D printer? Oh, here's the price. It's now $35, $34.90.
It was $60.
Interesting. I don't know. Think about it. Okay, let's go find the squishies. So maybe.
Here are the squishies. Oh, okay. So it looks like they haven't restocked in a long time. Oh my.
Everything's
torn apart.
Look at how terrible.
No. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. What? a new one. I've never. Oh wait, never mind.
That's
it's,
the mushroom.
It's the mushroom. It's,
Broken.
yeah.
Well, they still have
thought it
a
was a new
few of the.
Yeah, the $1.
What are these called again?
The
I
football
forgot.
and the soccer ball and the
Crush
basketball.
balls.
Crush ball. Yes.
Oh, they have smushy mushy. Oh, you have
Marshmallows, and it feels just like the
marshmallows?
feels just
Are
like
these the ones at Walgreens that you really like?
I think it is. It feels just like it.
Mushmallows. No, I think the other one's called Squishmallows or something.
Whoa.
They feel the same though.
Yeah, they feel
So
good.
cute. Is
They
that a
have
hamster?
names.
Is that a hamster?
It's a hamster. Its name is Buttons.
Buttons, the hamster. What about the dark gray one? What's the dark gray?
The dark gray is a puppy and
Is it a puppy?
Cody.
Hmm.
Whoa.
Monkey?
Sloth.
Oh, it's a
His name is
sloth.
Speedy.
Huh? It's a perfect name for a sloth.
Oh my gosh, they have like. The
Oh,
one in
wow.
the packaging.
What is that, a kitten?
It's a kitten. Wait, it has it's Bruno Spaghetti.
Ooh. Even better.
What's this? Oh my gosh, it's an octopus with stars on it. It's a dragon.
Mm-hmm.
Is it a fish? It's a dolphin.
Dolphin.
It's so much. There's a cow. Oh, a giraffe. Wait,
That's a giraffe, right?
yes, Jerry
Yeah,
giraffe.
for sure.
You got a fox. Bandit. Oh.
Is that koala?
It's a cat. It's so much. I think
Oh, that's cute. That's a wink.
actually, I think it's a
That's a hamster?
Yeah.
That's a cuter hamster than the other one.
Yeah, it's a hamster.
Doesn't it say on here what it is?
No, this is the name.
Oh.
Oh, it's a lion. I'll find a lion.
So there's smushy mushies here.
Oh my.
Oh, here, the stickers.
Oh, are these the squishies?
These are the squishy sticker shop.
Oh my gosh.
So this is the, a bunch of people were saying like there's sticker squishy. I'm like, what's sticker squishy?
Oh my god.
So I guess you can stick it onto your cell phone. You can stick it onto your binder at school. So you can have a squishy that's on your binder. Ooh, did you see this one? This one's cute. This purple panda.
So we got a purple panda.
And then look at all these mushies that are down here.
Whoa, what's this? I've never seen this one before. It's like a new one.
Is that a new one?
I think it's a new one.
Let's see what it says.
Look at the container.
This one is series 1. No, we have these,
Oh.
right?
The container looks different. I've never seen it.
Maybe you forgot.
Yeah, probably. Oh, they stole the squishies.
So there's all of these. So many smushy mushies here. They have smushy mushy besties. And they have the stickers. Oh, and then look at all this. Harmony. They have a bunch over here. Look. They have the decorate your own squishies with the. So they sell the color pens separately. And you can just buy what you want to decorate. And you decorate your own. Yeah, they are really slow rising. I was expecting them to be a little bit more dense. They're really, really squishy.
Oh my god, they got like the koala.
And then they have the ones that are already decorated.
Oh look, there's a panda one.
Oh, the panda is really cute. Okay, Harmony got distracted. You go from squishies to this, Harmony. Oh, and then they have a bunch of picnic pops over here. Oh, and then there's a ton of squishies at the bottom too. They have the. See, look at all these squishies. So many.
Copper, diamond.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And then they have a small pick-me pops, medium pick-me pops,
Wait a minute.
and then they have more some besties here, and then they have the soft and slow squishies.
Peel and reveal.
So many kinds.
Peel to reveal.
Okay, let's go back to the squishy wall. See what else we have. Oh my goodness, look at this. This we did not see.
Oh my god, it's like falling out of the bag.
Do you see the double scoop of ice cream at the bottom? I haven't seen that one. I have not seen the double ice cream.
Oh my god,
or that.
It's a cookie,
Cookie ice cream?
burger.
Cookie burger. I don't think I've seen that.
Oh my god, look at this.
So the jumbo ones I think are $12.99. You guys are wondering about the... Oh,
Okay.
you bumped the camera.
This little panda is so cute. It's so soft.
Oh, I thought you already had that.
No.
You don't have this guy?
No, I don't. Yes, I do. It is soft.
I don't think I've seen this really big cake. It's really dense though. So lots of squishies here. Oh look.
Wait, why?
More squishies.
These are in the My Little Pony one.
What's the My Little Pony?
It's not a squishy.
Oh, it's just a toy.
Yeah, it's just
Oh, but they're... So these are the Hello Kitty Sanrio squishies.
How is Gudetama in here? I don't see any Gudetama.
Up here.
Oh.
So Gudetama squishies up here.
So they got the Hello Sanrio and the
Gudetama.
squishies.
What else
And
do
then
they
got
have?
These.
Mushmallows.
Oh my god, they have so much. Look on the side.
So lots of squishies here today. They have these Gudetama ones, which we've found at Target. And then they have the Sanrio Hello Kitty ones. And I think we bought a whole set of these at Target when we did that, when we did a vlog.
Pretty cool.
Okay, so we found Soft and Slow, we found Smushy Mushy. We also found Smush Marlows, which Harmony's like in love with. So those Smushmallows are like $12 each if you want to get one.
Yeah.
Do you know which one you want? Did you want the babies?
Mini one.
You want a minis?
No, I want a big one. So I'm gonna get the cake sticker because it's super cute.
Cake sticker. And then what else? Ooh, we haven't checked out the section over here. So why don't you pick out which one you want? Of course, the hamster.
Actually, I think this is a bunny.
Is it a bunny or a hamster? Oh, yes. Could be a bunny. I don't know. It doesn't say what it
I
is.
know it.
It's probably a bunny. You want the bunny or you want the unicorn cat?
Oh wait, this is the hamster. Okay, hold on.
Or did you want the panda?
The panda.
Okay, let's look over here and see what they have.
Okay, so they got what? Jelly World.
Orb Jelly World. What is that?
I think it's just a
Oh,
jelly.
you put it into water and it makes the water jelly.
Whoa, I think it does.
Turns water into magic
nice.
jelly. Yep, it turns water into jelly.
Oh. Edible jelly.
Oh, there's more slime kits here.
There's a lot of, oh, it's from the, over there, the
Yeah.
slime headquarters.
Whoa, what is this? What
Whoa.
is
Ew.
this?
Throwable paintballs.
Oh, that looks messy. Paintballs and play paint. So you just throw them and they blow up and then you just wash them?
So.
That looks weird. This looks weird, right? Why is it in water already?
It says make the trend.
Hmm?
Throwable paintballs.
Make the trend. Ooh,
Is it a trend?
they look messy.
Oh, here's the
Whole bags, like you just squeeze them.
it's the refill.
Oh my goodness, they have it. They even have the gun.
Oh my. It's messy.
All right, looks like that's it. So you're gonna get yarn to make a hat.
That's yarn. The sticker squishy and the glow in the dark glue.
Oh, and then you're gonna get the panda
Oh yes,
marshmallows.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so looks like that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Like,